Mama mabati.
Jakoma mar riwruok mar jopuonj madongo mag sikunde sekondar Indimuli kayo kwayo piny owacho mondo oranga kendo rireyo kaka inyalo res chenro mag somo mag junior secondary. Indimuli netwak e kaunti ma Machakos kama jotelo mamoko mag riwruoge mag jopuonj kama oting'o kupeta bende ne oriwo lwedo ka koni matin ne otimie grade mar 7 kaluwore gi nok mar jopuonj. Jagoro maduong' mar kupeta bende sundo piny owacho mondo ondik jopuonj 40,000 manyocha ondiki e yor orak ka nyaka kaka jotije TSC ma ongirore.
Our sub-county school, Kesha Belt, have the capacity to handle junior secondary because they had teachers, they had minimal facilities that only needed to be enhanced. They had resemblances of laboratories that needed to be enhanced. So any addition of one teacher, 2 teachers, as it was done at primary level, will find another team of teachers there and they will be able to handle the content that was secondary. As a nation, we ignored, and the children in junior secondary school today, I'm not afraid to say, are getting a raw deal. And this must be reversed. How are we therefore proposing a reversal, and which we want Kupet to join us? Grade 9 must be moved to secondary. Otherwise, we are sacrificing a generation and putting our nation at risk.